In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add search bar in Wix. Full guide. Start by opening your site in the Wix editor. Once the canvas loads, head to the Add panel. If you don't see it right away, look for the plus icon on the left side of the editor. In the panel's search field, type the word search. This quickly filters the options so you don't have to browse through every category. From the results, select Wix Site Search. This is Wix's native search solution, and it integrates smoothly with your pages, blog posts, store products, and more. Click Add to Site, and the search bar will drop onto your current page. You can drag it to a prominent spot, like the header or the top of a section, so visitors can find it easily. Click the search bar on the canvas to select it, then choose Quick Edit. This opens a streamlined set of options that help you configure how the search behaves. Go into search results to decide where results appear. You can route users to a dedicated results page for a fuller experience, which is great for longer lists, or keep results compact depending on your design. Next, open Layout to fine-tune how those results are arranged. Adjust things like the number of items per view, spacing, and alignment so it matches your site's style. If your results page needs more contrast, select Section Background and choose a background color or image that keeps text readable. A clean, high-contrast background helps visitors scan results quickly. Open Settings for more control. Under Display, toggle elements such as thumbnails, descriptions, or categories to show just the details that matter. Go back to Layout if you want to refine the structure further, and then switch to Design to customize fonts, colors, borders, and hover states. Small design tweaks here help the search experience feel native to your brand. As you make changes, keep an eye on consistency. Match fonts and colors to your site theme, and ensure there's enough padding so the search bar doesn't feel cramped. If you plan to show the search on many pages, placing it in a shared area like a header can help with visibility. When everything looks and feels right, click Publish to push your changes live, and then click Done to close the publishing dialog. That's it. Your Wix search bar is set up, styled, and ready to help visitors find exactly what they need.